Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is the first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a serum to hydrate and moisturize my face and prime my face at the same time. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to support me, show me love by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the products I'm using, all the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Blend. Next, I'm using a darker concealer to contour my nose. Contour the nose, to snatch the nose. To contour and snatch the nose. I'm using a beauty blender, the same beauty blender I use for my foundation, to blend the contour so that there won't be any harsh line. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights and set my whole face as well. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlights and bake as well. Set the highlights only for the highlighted parts of the face. Setting powder to set the highlights. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define the nose contour more. I'm leaving the under eye powder for my eyeshadow, so that when I'm doing my eyes, all the fallout from my eyeshadow will be on the powder and not my face. That is why I'm leaving the under eye powder. Next, I'm using a bronzer to bronze and contour my cheek and my forehead. I'm using the setting powder to define my contour. I'll leave that one until I finish with my eyes. I'll leave it there. Next is my brows. Brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean my brows, clean up the brows and define the brows more. to define this. Clean the brows up. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyes. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a brown shade as my transition color for my crease. For my crease, next, I'm using a darker brown for my outer crease. I'm bringing it a little bit to the inner crease, just a little. Next, I'm using a brush with nothing to blend the edges. Then I'm adding a little dark red, or it's dark pink for my crease. I'm sorry, for the edges, to blend the edges so that there won't be any sharp lines. Next, I'm cutting the crease, just a little crease. Cut the crease. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Just a little crease. How do I do? I tried. How do I do? I tried, Sha. I tried. It's good. Cut the crease. Next, that is my lead color, lead shade. It's peach in real, but on camera it's showing orange. It look peach in real. This eyeshadow shade I'm using look peach in real, but on camera it's showing orange. That is my lead shade, purple for the lead, orange for the lead. Since it's showing orange on camera, let's call it orange. Orange shade for the lead, for the eyelid, all over the eyelid. Orange shade. Orange, one of my favorite color, orange. Next, I'm using a little purple to blend the crease. To blend so that there won't be any sharp line. To blend it, a little purple mixed with brown. Blend the cream. Next, I'm blending the outer corner with the orange to blend it together so there won't be any sharp line. Now I'm lining my lid. Now I'm lining my eyes with liquid eyeliner with a little wing. Now I'm using a kajal for my waterline and my lower lash line. A black kajal from Serum Cosmetics. Next is mascara for the eyes to prepare the eyes for the false lashes. Next is eyelash. Eyelash time, eyelash time. Bam, bam. I'm using my hand to oh, I can't find my tweezers and I've not bought a new one, so let me use my hand to wear my lashes. Next, I'm using the same shadow I use on my crease for my lower lash line. I'm adding a little of the orange and the purple and the brown, just mix the three together for my lower lash line. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend and smoothen my face. Blend the face, smoothen the face, smooth everything together. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up my cheek. Blush up my cheek. Add a little color to the cheek. Next is highlighter to highlight the face. This highlighter is good. It's good. Next is Fix Plus to set the makeup. Next is a little mascara for the lower lash line. Just a little mascara for the lower. Next is lips. First, I'm using this dark plum or dark red shade for my lips. Then I'm adding a plum, like a dark purple, to my lips to darken it a little bit. That is all, guys. How do I do? I tried. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. Please don't forget to support me. Show me love. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Like my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.